In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find your crypto wallet address inside of Robinhood. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device, and then from here you'll need to search for Robinhood like so. Once you get inside of Robinhood, it should look something like this, where you'll be able to log into your account. And once you get into your account, you'll need to go down to your portfolio and then find the specific cryptocurrency that you want to get the address for, wallet address for. Now from here, let's say I want my Bitcoin wallet address, and to do that you'll simply need to click on Bitcoin, and then from here you'll need to go down to where it says send and receive. Now from here, to get the crypto wallet address, you will need to click receive right here, and as you can see now, there will be visible a QR code and a long crypto wallet address that you can copy or send it directly onto your Messenger, WhatsApp, or anywhere like this. As you can see here, I cannot show it because of personal GDPR laws, but that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!